day of New Year and wish you get all the happiness and success. So moving on, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your old leggings into a cute sling bag.
But before proceeding, subscribe to my channel and also turn your notification bell button on to never miss any future videos from me. So for this you're gonna need a legging, some sewing pins, measuring tape, scissors and a zipper. Now start by taking one leg of the legging and place your zipper on top of it. Now then mark a point leaving about 1 inch distance and cut a straight line. Now once that is done, open the piece up by cutting it from its side seam. Once that is done, you should have a big rectangular piece like this. Do the same thing with the other leg of your legging. Now you should have 2 such pieces. Take your zipper, place it right side up, and then take a rectangular piece, fold its edges, and you can either glue it or you can stitch on top of the zipper. Now I decided to stitch it, but you can easily glue it using hot glue. Now once that is done, see if the zipper opens easily or not before proceeding to the next step. Now keep it aside. Now moving on to the remaining leggings, cut a rectangular piece out of it and then cut it open from the side seam as well. Then start cutting straps out of it. I took random size straps, so you can do that as well. Once that is done, take 3 straps and then pin them together from one side and then pull them down to stretch them and then start braiding them like you braid your hair. Once that is done, pin the other end as well. Make more such braids and then glue them one by one on both the sides of the zipper. Now again you can stitch it, but I prefer to use the hot glue for this process because stitching it would have been a much more long process. Once everything is glued down, let them dry for about 5 minutes or so. Now I took 11 braids on each side of the zipper, but that totally depends on how big you want your sling bag to be. Now open the zipper about halfway and flip the one side of the bag on top of the other like this and stitch all the remaining 3 sides of the bag to close the bag. So you can hand sew it easily, and once that is done, cut off the excess fabric out of it and then flip the right side out from the zipper opening to see how it looks. As the leaves start falling down and once that is done, all you're left with is to add 2 rings to attach the chain. You can also use keychain rings if they are small enough, or you can make fabric loop using the legging piece. Just make a loop and attach it to the places where I'm gonna add the rings. So I'm adding the 2 rings using simple stitching on both the sides of the bag. Take any chain you already have on your sling bags like I'm using here, and if you don't have it, you can buy it easily on any button store. Add 2 hooks. Again, you can get the hooks at the button store as well. Get the hooks, attach them to the chain, and then attach it to the bag like I'm doing here. Once everything is done, this is how your bag should look like, and you're done.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Moving on to the family featuring time, I've decided to feature 3 of you guys from now on. So the first one goes out to Leanne Warner, and she says have turned on notifications and she enjoys my DIYs. Thank you. The second one goes out to Vincent, and she says you saved my second jeans. I totally messed my first one when I tried DIYing it to a skirt. Now this is a perfect idea to DIY it, and if you haven't seen the skirt video, guys, the link would be right here. Just click on the I button and you can just watch the video. And the third and the last one goes out to Ghazal Gill, and she says hi, amazing ideas, loved all of them. By the way, I've subbed and clicked the bell icon too. Thank you. And that's it for today's featuring, guys. If you want to get featured in my next DIY video, turn your notification bell button on like right now after subscribing to my channel, and just comment down below anything you want. What do you think about this video and what not? Just comment down below and I'll pick 3 of you guys for the next DIY. Till then, bye bye.